Alright, this is tune 1. Now we're going to switch to tune 2. So the same intro again. Not sure how well that's going to come over. I'm going to turn it up and I'm going to start it again. I'm going to go back to tune 1 again. We're going to set it at 15 and run it from there. Load tune 1. Okay. This is 1. Alright, we're going to switch to tune 2. Load that. And I'm going to go back and start it again. So the difference is on tune 1 I have the dash coaxials crossed over at 400 hertz, and on tune 2 I have the dash coaxials crossed over at 5000 hertz. So tune 1 the dash has mids, tune 2 the dash just tweeters essentially. If I turn the mids down on tune 1 to where they're more proper, then the tweeters are crushed. So if you're going to run a mid and a tweet in this car in the dash, you're either going to want to run just a tweeter, or you're going to run a active mid and tweet so that you can adjust those actively. This is the case where active mids and tweets in the dash are actually a good thing for this car. But just the tweeter, with it set the way it is good.